In our options trading course, we will extensively explore the main windows of the trading system, each offering crucial insights for effective decision-making. The three primary windows we'll focus on are the price graph, profit and loss analysis, and option chains. The price graph serves as a visual representation of the underlying asset's price movement over time. Traders can analyze trends, patterns, and key levels of support and resistance from this graph, aiding in the identification of potential entry and exit points for options positions. Understanding the price graph is essential for technical analysis, allowing traders to make informed predictions about future price movements based on historical data. Next, the profit and loss analysis window provides a comprehensive overview of the potential profitability of various option strategies under different market scenarios. Traders can simulate different trade setups and assess their risk-reward profiles, enabling them to optimize their strategies and manage risk effectively. By analyzing profit and loss graphs for different options positions, traders can make informed decisions about position sizing, strike selection, and expiration dates. Finally, the option chains window displays a comprehensive list of available options contracts for a particular underlying asset. Traders can view key details such as strike prices, expiration dates, bid and ask prices, and implied volatility levels for each option contract. Option chains are essential for conducting thorough research and analysis, allowing traders to compare different options contracts and select the most suitable ones for their trading objectives. These three main windows are interconnected, with data from each window influencing the analysis conducted in the others. For example, information from the price graph can inform trade setups analyzed in the profit and loss analysis window, while data from the option chains window can help traders identify potential entry and exit points on the price graph. Throughout the course, we will delve into each of these windows in detail, exploring advanced techniques and strategies for maximizing profits and minimizing risk in options trading. By mastering the functionality of these main windows, traders can gain a competitive edge in the options market and achieve their financial goals.